Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the richness of the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into the pronoun another. It's an A1 level word, so it's perfect for those of you just starting out on your English journey. Another means an additional person or thing, and it's incredibly useful in everyday conversations. Let me give you a clear example of how another works. Imagine you're at a cafe and you've just finished a delicious cookie. If you want more, you might say, "Can I have another cookie, please?" Here, another emphasizes that you want one more cookie in addition to the one you already had. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for another. A good synonym is one more, as in I'll take one more slice of pizza, thank you. You could also use an extra, for example, do you have an extra ticket for the concert? Both of these carry a similar meaning to another, but might be used in slightly different contexts. On the other hand, antonyms for another include none or no more. For instance, if someone asks if you'd like more water and you're full, you could say, "No, thank you. I need no more." Similarly, none can work in situations like, "I have none left to give." These create a contrast to another by emphasizing absence or the end of something. In everyday life, you'll find another popping up everywhere. Picture a party where a friend offers you drinks. They might ask, "Would you like another soda?" Or maybe you're watching a movie and enjoying it so much that you think, "Let's watch another one." Let me give you a few more examples of another in sentences. I'll need another pair of gloves for winter. She bought another gift for her friend's birthday. After finishing his meal, he ordered another cup of tea. Each sentence highlights how common and versatile this word is. So, that's another in a nutshell. It's a simple but incredibly useful pronoun to add to your vocabulary. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear how you'd use another in a sentence, so share your example in the comments below. Until next time, keep practicing and discovering the beauty of English. See you soon.